Hey guys, this is Jenna and we're going to be going over lesson 5 for 2nd grade. So our first topic is least to greatest. We're going to be ordering the numbers given to us from the least number to the greatest number, so smallest to biggest. So we'll start with number 1 here. We have the numbers 5, 2, and 6. So we're going to start with the smallest number. Which one is the smallest out of these three? Well, you can find this by counting in order. Whichever number comes first is the smallest number. And we know 1, 2. So 2 is the smallest number from this. And then the next number, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 is the next one. And then obviously the only remaining one is 6. So 2, 5, and 6. Here, okay, we'll do number 4. We have 100, 67, and 46. Now we haven't gone over hundreds yet, but we're going to be looking at the digits, how much digits each one has. So this one has 3 digits, so that automatically makes it the biggest one because we have a 1 right here, a 0, a 0. So the 100 is the biggest one, so it can work backwards like this. And then if we look here, the next digit is 6 and 4. We know that 4 is smaller and 6 is bigger, so we'll write that in here. 46 is the smallest, and 67 is in the middle. So that is how you find least to greatest. Okay, we'll do one more example here. Number 9, we have the numbers 50, 59, and 80. So if you look at these numbers right here, we have a 5, 5, and 8. Obviously, the only different one is 8, and 8 is bigger than 5, so we're going to put the 80 right here, because it's the biggest number out of the 3. Now we have 50 and 59, so these 5s are the same, so let's look at the next number. We have a 0 and a 9. We know that 0 comes before 9, and 0 is much smaller than 9. So the one with the 0, which is 50, will go here because it's smaller. And the one with the 9, 59, will go right here because it's bigger than 59. Bigger than 50, but smaller than 80. Okay, now we'll move on to using a graph. So we're given a bar graph right here. It shows the favorite fruits of how many people. So we have oranges, pears, apples, and plums. So first let's look at the graph and what it tells us. So we have oranges. It tells us that 6 people right here. 6 people like orange is the best. Now the second one, pears, stops right here. That's the number 4. Apples, right here. That's 8. So 8 people like apples the best. And plums, we have a 2, which is where this bar stops. So there's 6, 4, 8, and 2. So we'll go over a few of these. Which fruit is the favorite of most people? If you look at the bar, you can see which one is the furthest out, which is the apples. Or you can look at right here, the numbers right here. The biggest number is 8, which is apples. So the answer is apples. Sorry, it's a little messy. And we'll do number 3. How many people in all like oranges or pears? So we're only going to be looking at oranges and pears for this question. 6 and 4. So we're trying to find out how many people in all like either of these. So we're going to add these two numbers. So 6 plus 4. To do number 3, we're going to do 6 plus 4. And that equals 10. You can count up or you can draw and count. So 10 people. 10 people like oranges or pears. And then we'll move on to the next topic. We have expanded form to number. So we're given the written expanded form of each number. So we'll start with number 1. We have 5 tens and 3 ones. So we know that the tens place comes before the ones place. So if we have 5 tens, so 5 right here. Oops. Okay, so we'll put this as a tens place and this is a ones place. Now we have 5 tens, we're going to put a 5 in the tens place and a 3 in the ones place. This number reads 53, so that's the number this expanded form is representing. We'll go to number 6. We have 8 tens and 0, 1. So we still need to do 2 digits because this is a ones place and this is a tens place. We have 8 tens. We're given nothing for 1, so we're going to assume it's 0. So the number is 80. That looks like a 6. Okay, here. 80. We'll do one more. 3 tens and 3 ones. Again, we're going to draw the place values. This is the tens place. This is the ones. We have 7 tens and 2 ones. So that's the number 72. So that's what this question is asking. Now, our last and final topic, is word problems. We'll go over number 1 right now. We have questions raised. Cassie put her stickers into 5 bags of 10 and has 3 extra stickers. How many stickers does Cassie have? So similar to what we just did right now, we're going to count. Okay, so we have 5 bags of 10. So that's 5 tens and 3 extra stickers. So since they're extra and they're alone, that's 3 ones. So of course we need 2 place values. This is a 10 and this is the ones. Now we have 5 tens and 3 extra single ones. So this is where the 5 goes and this is where the 3 goes. So Cassie has 53 stickers. Okay, now we'll go over number 4. Edward has 4 pieces of candy. Maria has 14 pieces of candy. How many more pieces of candy does Maria have than Edward? So we're trying to find the difference between the amount of candy Edward has and Maria has. So Maria has more stickers, so we're going to put her number in front, 14. And to find the difference, we have to subtract. So we're going to subtract 4. It might be easier to look at it this way, 14 minus 4. Now we have 4 minus 4, it equals 0. And then we have 1 minus 0 because there's nothing there, so we're going to bring the 1 down, that's 10. So Maria has 10 more pieces of candy than Edward does. So this is how we're doing the